At this moment, I knew the gimbal was broken. We'd have to do an emergency landing. But before we get to that, the unboxing of the Mavic Mini is
Nick Corona here, and today we're out on the edge of Phoenix, and we came to this really special spot because we knew it was by this old dike, and it's just really cool to look at, and there's some water features and other things around here we wanted to check out. And the one day we come out to the middle of the desert and there is a pilot training or something just flying around. So he's over there, we're gonna fly over there and keep an eye on him. He's flying really low, like pretty much doing touch and goes and swooping around and stuff. So, but we're on some public trust land out here, public airspace, and we're gonna keep our distance, socially distance ourselves within the sky, really far away from the helicopter, and check out the beautiful desert because it's never this green. We've had tons of rain, and then it never, was that a Mavic Mini? Holy crap. Anyways, it's usually not this chilly right now, so everything's really green. Let's check it out.
I did the calibration for the gimbal and it worked, and I saw it moving around, and it worked. Like when I move it, if I hit recenter, maybe that's not even gonna work now. I don't know. Yeah, it's just, oh, there it goes. See that? It just popped right back up, and now it's just like before. It let me go down a little bit and then up a little bit, and then as soon as I, yeah, no lower than 26, and now it just says gimbal motor overloaded again.
Let me see.
Oh, there we go, down to 90.
fine now.
Stuck at 30.
Oh, it got stuck again.
Stuck right there at 30. Yeah, it's broken. Something's broken on it.
Just mid-flight.
I feel like I can feel it getting. I'm not sure if you're definitely not supposed to do that, but I can feel it getting caught on something in there. Maybe that's just the motor telling me not to do that.
Can you make the motor area come up again? Just a sad update on the Mavic Mini. It's been some unfortunate drone luck lately. But day 2 or 3?
3.
Day 3? Day 3 with the Mavic Mini, and the gimbal has just completely failed. It was mid-flight, and it just gets stuck at 30 degrees, and then sometimes it says gimbal fail. It's only moving a little bit. It just happened randomly, mid-flight. Everything was great, and then all of a sudden it just got stuck down, and
Like
its movement is super limited. It won't what?
It won't go to 90 degrees at all.
Yeah, it won't even go to 90 degrees.
At all.
So, it's only 3 days old, so I mean at this point the best thing to do is just a buyer's remorse exchange at Best Buy, other than going through DJI, but that's really crazy that this happened. I would never expect that to happen with this drone, not in a million years, especially on day 3, and I mean this thing is flawless condition. It has not even hit a branch or a twig. Nothing has ever happened to it. That's not cool for a new drone to do.
Once.
Yeah, we'll have to. Were you recording when that happened?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We'll show the footage.